Hello everyone and welcome back to the Breakdown How-To. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to slow down and speed up actually YouTube videos. I'm doing this tutorial because everybody always says I talk too fast in videos. Well guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to fix that issue today and make it to where you can watch it at whatever speed you would like. Now, before I get on into it, I want to remind you to check out the first link down below. That's going to be Wix. You can get an awesome website for your business, for your blog, for your videos, for your photography, whatever you're looking to do, you can get it up and running using Wix. So be sure to go to the first link down below, thebreakdown.xyz/Wix. Thanks them so much for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and slow down a YouTube video, though. To do that, we need to get to a YouTube video. We're going to be using this one. This is just an Optifine tutorial. It's linked down below in the description. If you want to see how to do it, it's just how to install Optifine in Minecraft. Pretty simple stuff. But if we play the video here, people say I talk really fast. And so what if they want to slow me down? Well, we can come down here to the settings cogwheel. You see it there? Then we can go into speed right here. We're currently at normal. If you want to slow me down, go ahead and put it at 2.5 speed or 0.5 speed or 0.75 speed. It's at 0.25, by the way. We can see that because look how slow that 1 second moves. Still second, boom, it switched. Still going on that 21. Boom, just switched. Still on 22. Just switched. Right, it takes a long time. Meanwhile, we can also speed me up for those of you who think I talk too slow. You can do that 1.25, 1.5, or 2 times speed. It's going to be really interesting switching from 0.25 to 2 speed here. Watch the seconds, right? You see how slowly those are moving? As soon as I switch this, boom. Now, look how fast that's going. We're making up time like crazy, guys. Mouse is moving super duper fast on the screen. Things are happening and moving. That is how you can speed up and slow down YouTube videos, and that's how you can make me talk less fast or faster if you want. I don't think many of you want me to talk any faster, but if you do, that's how you can do it. You can also slow me down. Slow me back down really slowly. But there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. This one was quick. It was easy, but we post tons of more complicated and complex tutorials and everything from Adobe Premiere to Minecraft to building websites. It's all here, guys. It's a ton of awesome how-to content. Throw a little bit of knowledge in your life and subscribe to the channel and join the team. We're a new channel, so your subscriptions really do mean the world to us. This is Nick. This has been the Breakdown How-To as well, and I am out, guys. Peace.